Hello, welcome to our first day of numeracy for week 1 of April. We are introducing subtraction, takeaway, less this week, and the intro to subtraction video was really awesome. So what I suggest you do for the first day is you get some manipulatives that you can find. You ask the student to take out, let's just say we're going to start with the base 10. Ask them to count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you're going to say you're having base 10. And if you have your base 10 template from Playdough Smush last time, if you don't have it, I will include the Subtraction Playdough Smush for you. So it's going to look like this. Here's the number smush 10 frame. And then you also have the Playdough Smush from March. It's a really fun game. It's the Subtraction Smush. So there it is there. So I'm going to introduce both of these in case you didn't have the month of March. I'm going to include the Subtraction Smush, and then you just need a 10 frame. So have them organize their group of 10 in a 10 frame. It just helps with, I've lost a gem. Look at that. Oh, there it is. And you can get some number cards that come with this game. And you can ask them to flip up a number card, or you can just say a card. Now, this is laminated, so it would be really easy just to yell out as a whole group or to flip over a card and say, okay, I want everybody to take this many away. So finding the cards and picking out a number. So we have 10 and we take away 2. So how many do we have left? And just doing that as a whole group exercise and then leaving these there for center time. Now, number subtraction in our Playdough Smush package is really fun as well. So you're going to get the 2 number cards. So 7, subtract. Let's find a good one. 5 equals, where they have to write that in. So for Playdough Smush, you don't have to do it with Play-Doh. You can also do it with the 10 frames, but it's really fun to make 7 balls of Play-Doh. Super fun, actually. Fine motor. It's a little fun, too. 3, 4, 5. My Play-Doh rolling days are, there we go. 6. So you're making the bigger number. 6. You're going to make 7. And then guess what gets to happen? You probably guessed correct. You get to smush 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? There's your answer. So these are 2 great kind of introductory lessons for the learners to do, either calling it out or creating your Play-Doh Smush. This isn't laminated, so as you can see, I tried to pick up the Play-Doh. I should have put it in my protective sheet or laminated it, but that's what you're going to want to do before you play, okay? So have fun with those activities, and I will see you soon. Bye!